All right, hello everybody. Welcome to your weekly preview. This is for the week of February 20th, 2023 to February 24th, 2023. So important announcements. Monday, no school, was President's Day. Friday, my office hours are 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. And then just a reminder that the mid-quarter deadline is coming up. All work must be submitted by Sunday, 2/26 at 11:59 p.m. for grading. So it's quarter three, week 5. Monday, there was no school, like we said, because of President's Day. Tuesday, you have the lesson Theories of Motivation with the key terms there: motivation, need, drive, incentive, extrinsic motivation, and intrinsic motivation. Wednesday in live class, we'll talk about the reasons for motivation, and then the CYU extrinsic and intrinsic motivation for your CYU. Thursday, you have the lesson Biological and Social Motives with the key terms there: lateral hypothalamus, or LH, ventromedial hypothalamus, or LMH, and then hierarchy of needs. And then Friday, back in live class, we will analyze how biological and social motives impact our behaviors with the CYU Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Hope you have a great week. Let me know of any questions or concerns. Take care. Bye bye.